These matte transitions will work with almost every version of Premiere Pro. Let me show you how to use these transitions. Open Premiere Pro. Create a new sequence. I am taking a full HD preset. Let's import transitions. Now import some videos. Place it on the timeline. These videos are in 4K, so I am scaling down. Place any transition on the timeline. Place it like that. Place second clip like that. Take razor tool and cut second clip where transition ends. Place second cut clip like that. Now go to the effects panel and search for track matte key. Apply it to the video 2 clip. Go to the effects control panel, in track matte key, set composite using to matte luma. Change matte to video 3, which is transition layer. That's it. Thanks for watching.